Wow. Little Pookie, that's you. May I tell you 10 things I know about you?
Say
Can
yes.
I tell you? Say yes. You like macaroni?
Yes.
You're suspicious of peas?
Yes.
You're happy outdoors with your ears in the breeze. Who's that? That's you. Sometimes you like wearing a shirt that's too big. Whose shirt is that?
Dad.
Wait, is that Daddy's shirt? You're the silliest pig. You adore fuzzy things. Do you like fuzzy things?
Yes.
What's that one? A bird? What's that little animal? You dream you can fly.
Yes.
You like the piano, though the keys are so high. What's he doing?
Playing that.
And he says, up, please, because he can't reach. You like to get dirty. Yes. Now what's he going to do? By going in a bath. You like to get clean? Maybe. You have the best nose I've ever seen. There, that makes 10 Pookie things, and here's one more for you. What are they doing? You like reading books. Oh, I do too.
Two.
The end. Now you want another one?
Yeah.
Which one? This one?
What about this? I love this one. Yeah.
You're not awake. It's 6 o'clock. You hear a ring. You're hearing knock knock. What do you think, Six? Ding dong. You hear the door come crashing down. The birthday monsters are in town. 5 birthday monsters barge right in and yell, "It's morning, let's begin." What are they going to do?
Okay.
They don't need cake. It's not even breakfast time yet. They rush you down before you're ready and use your breakfast as confetti. What do they do with it?
I don't know.
They threw it in the air. Oh, look, they shouted 6:08. Your present opening can't wait.
He already opened his.
They brought you the presents they like best. You get the wrap, they keep the rest. And now they say it's hide and seek. You go and hide and we won't peek. Do you think they're going to peek?
No.
You find a hiding place that's great. You wait and wait and wait and wait. You realize 20 minutes later they're raiding the refrigerator. What are they doing?
Opening the present.
Oh, it's time for cake, the monsters shout. So hurry, blow the candles out. You close your eyes and make a wish and blow upon an empty dish. Where does cake go? The monsters are eating it. And now goodbye, it's been a thrill, and out they go, the house is still. They took your gifts, they ate your cake, they made the mess that monsters make. There's nothing more that could go wrong. And then knock knock, and then one last surprise is here for you. The birthday monster cleaning crew. What's he got?
Ice cream.
They fix, they sweep, they scrub the floor. The house is clean, they're out the door. And on your kitchen shelf you find what they put. Cards and presents. The birthday things they left behind. You want to do another one? Cookies?
Yeah.
Ba-doo-ba, doink doink, snuffle-dee-da. Ba-doo-ba, doink doink, a piggy-doo-wah. What are piggies doing? Ba-doo-ba, doink doink, snuffle-dee-da. Ba-doo-ba, Chattanooga, piggy, piggy, pickle-dee-dee. Did you ever see noses so wonderfully round? Where else could these little curly tails be found? Who has a little curly tail?
Doesn't say a pig.
From the spring of our tail to our snuffling snout, our plumpness is pleasing, there isn't a doubt. Look at these floppy ears.
Blues.
Blue what? What are those?
Balloon.
You have to admit, we're fabulous swine. We're all perfect piggies and we know what we need. It's very simple indeed. Where are they going? A trough full of food, a place in the sun, and a little bit of comfort when the day is done. Now some have more wit. What's he got? And some have more style. What are they wearing? Sunglasses. But no one around has a lovelier smile. Some like to work. What's he holding? Some like to think. But piggies are born to be chubby and pink. Now a pig is a pig and that's how it should be. You have to be you and we have to be we. We go. Wee, all the way home. All the way home, all the way home. What do these little piggies do? Wee, all the way home, all the way home. And these little piggies go piggledy bop. Okay, one more.
Yay, I like them too.
Do you want this one?
Yeah. 1, 2, 4.
I really like animals. I like them a lot. Do you like animals?
Yes.
15 animals is what I've got. I've got 15 animals. They're friendly and tame. And I've given each one a special name. What's that animal?
Bob.
I've got a cat named
Bob.
Bob. And a dog named Bob.
Bob.
And 2 fish named Bob and Bob. And a hamster named what?
Bob.
Bob. And a horse named Bob.
Bob.
And my piglet known as Bob, of course. That's my rabbit, Bob. And his bunny wife, Bob. And their kids, what are their kids' names?
Bob, Bob, Bob.
Bob and Bob. That's right. And the mouse,
Bob.
Bob. And Bob the bird.
Bob the bird.
And my turtle named, is he Bob?
No.
No, he's Simon James Alexander Ragsdale III, of course.
Mom, did you notice my
Yeah.
mohawk?